ओंटारियो ਦੇ ਸਾਬਕਾ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵਿਲੀਅਮ ਡੇਵਿਸ ਦਾ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਹਾਂਤ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਉਹ 92 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਨ। ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਾਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ। ਡੇਵਿਸ ओंटारियो ਦੇ 18ਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਸਨ। ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਸਾਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਾਰਜੀਅਨ ਬੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਏ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਕੁਦਰਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਆਖਰੀ ਸਮੇਂ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਿਕ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਨ। ਡੇਵਿਸ ਨੇ 1971 ਤੋਂ 1985 ਤੱਕ ओंटारियो ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਵਜੋਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਨਿਭਾਈ ਹੈ। उस समय प्रोग्रेसिव कंजरवेटिव के 42 साल के शासनकाल आखिरी 14 साल डेविस हाथ ही ओंटारियो की वागडोर रही। 1959 में ओंटारियो विधान सभा चुने गए।
I want to thank all of you for coming. I'm not sure why you're here.
He was the Premier of Ontario on my first day of kindergarten, and he was the Premier of Ontario on my first day of university. So he was a huge figure in my own life and politically. But I think his masterful political strategy, he was a masterful political strategist because he wasn't in your grill, he wasn't in your face, but he was always behind the scenes making sure that he got what he wanted, even in minority parliaments. And he had 6 years of minority government at Queen's Park, which is no easy trick to navigate. He managed to work very closely with the New Democrats of Stephen Lewis at the time. So that's why Ontario had a lot of progressive things like rent control that came in because of him. The killing of the Spadina Expressway in 1971, when he first became Conservative leader, was arguably a thing that saved the downtown core of Toronto. The annex and other neighborhoods wouldn't exist to this day if it wasn't for him stopping for that expressway. So that he was a progressive in that sense. So he could have Jane Jacobs on the one hand hailing him for doing things like that, and on the other hand you could have people on Bay Street saying, you know, good for you for you know, keeping Ontario open for business, so to speak. But he was a red Tory in the classic sense of that, Jennifer. He was as well regarded by the Liberals at Queen's Park, in whether it was David Peterson or Dalton McGuinty or Kathleen Wynne, as he is by progressive Conservatives like Doug Ford or Tim Hudak before him, or Mike Harris or Ernie Eves. It's an interesting that he was able to straddle the center, and he was a master at being moderate. So his famous quip about bland works, he was right. He didn't offend anyone, but that didn't mean that he was anyone's patsy either. Yeah, I mean, he was probably the most important education minister that Ontario's ever had, back when the education minister handled colleges, universities, and public schools. And so under Premier Robarts, he expedited and the development of the community college system.